Hi, friends. I am coming to you with a new book today. It is hot off the presses. It's called Even Pirates Need to Listen. This book is written by Carnes and illustrated by Carey Goddard. 50% of proceeds for this book purchased in March of 2021 is going to Autism Speaks. It's a great book by a great guy for a great cause. Let's jump right in.
Hoist the sails! Weigh anchor! Shouted Captain Ella. Heave-ho, mateys!
The pirates spring to life on board the ship. Each pirate has a job to keep the ship going. Some pirates pull up the anchor. The anchor keeps the pirate ship in one spot. Some pirates raise the sails. The sails catch the wind to move the pirate ship through the water. Some pirates swab the poop deck. It's the deck at the back of the ship. Deckhands have to clean the wooden deck. They keep it free of garbage so the pirates don't slip, trip, or fall. Some pirates cook the food to feed the hungry crew. Pirates eat meats, cheeses, breads, and fruit. They even eat vegetables. Some pirates are doctors who fix ouchies. They treat sick pirates to make them feel better. They can give medicine, apply bandages, or tell them to rest. The captain tells each pirate which job to do. What would happen if the pirates didn't listen to the captain? The ship would not find buried treasure if no pirates raised the anchor and sails. The poop deck would be covered in mud and garbage, causing pirates to trip and fall. Ah, poop! Pirates would have hungry bellies, making them very, very crabby. Gurgle. Pirate boo-boos wouldn't get better if the doctor didn't do her job. But pirates do listen to their captain's orders. They shout, "Arr!" or "Aye, aye, Captain!" and get to work. This keeps the ship sailing to islands full of buried treasure.
Weigh anchor! Land ho!
At home, your family is like a pirate crew. Your home is the ship, the grown-ups are the captains, and kids are the crewmates. Captains give you important jobs to help them keep your home in ship shape. So, when your captains give you a job to do, be a helpful pirate. Shout, "Aye, aye, Captain!" and get to work. This last part of the book is so fun. It says, "Welcome aboard, matey. You're Captain Ella's newest crew member. Use your best pirate voice to read these phrases aloud. Arr means yes or okay. Hoist the sails. That means raise the sails. Weigh anchor. That one means pull up the ship's anchor. Heave-ho. Get to work. Aye, aye, Captain. Yes, Captain. Swab the poop deck means clean up. And then on the other side it says, "Captain Ella needs your help to tell each of these pirates which job to do. Can you help her find the right pirate for each job?" And the jobs are listed. Raise the sails. Swab the poop deck. Pull up the anchor. Fix ouchies. Cook the food. Thanks for joining me today for that fun book, my little pirates. Now go help your captains swab the poop deck. Bye for now.